if you can be totally open and vulnerable to each other outside the bedroom, where it's like, let me share what I think, what I feel, who I am, what I believe, what I want, what I regret, all those kinds of things. And then take that kind of openness into the bedroom. And so now I'm going to allow myself to feel all the pleasure I possibly can from what my spouse does to me. But at the same time, I'm trying to give her all the pleasure I possibly can. And if she is willing to accept all that, because we're even still talking to each other openly, transparently. I like that. I wish we could do this, et cetera, et cetera. And so really what she talked about was this, and I'm summarizing it, of course, is when you can finally develop a relationship with one person, one, so that you truly become one emotionally, physically, spiritually, so forth and so on. And that it doesn't make any difference if you're 20 years old or 60 years old, if a hot young body or one like mine, that it can still be this amazing relationship, because yes, there's still physical sensation, and thank God for that, but it is so much deeper. And so people can completely let themselves go, completely.